Hey there! Today we're going to look at how to use the progress bar feature in Monday.com, so let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Monday.com. Over here, click the Login button in the top right corner. Then, sign in using Google or enter your email address. After that, open the board you want to work with. Over here, go to the last column and click the plus sign button. Then, type Progress Tracking in the search bar. After that, click on Progress Tracking to add the column. Over here, the progress bar will now appear, showing task completion percentages. Then, check that your status columns are set correctly for each task. After that, as you mark tasks done, the progress bar updates automatically. Over here, at the bottom of the column, see the overall completion percentage for your group. Then, continue tracking all tasks to see the progress bar reflect updates in real time. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.